Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. The Story of the Door. The lawyer Mr. J.W. Addison was a tall and thin man. He was strict with himself, and he never showed his feeling, but he was somewhat lovable. He was tolerant of others, and more likely to help people in trouble than disapprove them. Every Sunday, he went for a long walk with his closest friend, Richard Enfield. Mr. Enfield was a distant cousin of Mr. Addison and a well-known man about town. Because their character was so different, many people wondered what they had in common. The truth was that they felt comfortable in each other's company. One of their Sunday walks, the two men walked down a small street in a busy part of London. The London were clean and freshly painted. Two doors down from one corner, on the opposite side of the street, was the entry to a courtyard.